birds wanted to take my food.
Okay.
So here we are on the 10th hole. Over in the distance is the bay towards Walia and McKenna. The valley, beautiful here, beautiful. Windy, beautiful.
You like to be in pictures.
Nice, I like that. As I head straight up towards that bay, let Mother Nature do the rest. And his small teeth. Okay. Six.
You're ready?
Just try to let the wind carry this. It worked. It worked. The wind carried it in.